Supplementary, Governor for Sepik.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. In relation to that, could the Treasurer confirm or deny that the initial funding for that road was courtesy of the Australian people through the Australian government, and there was a $100 million grant that came out almost 4 years ago earmarked for this particular project? Therefore, as far as I understand, the funding is not Connect PNG. It's supposed to be the Australian government funding. So could the good Treasurer confirm that, number one? Number two, it is my understanding that a Papua New Guinean contractor was recommended by the NPC and the TSSP for approval by NEC. NEC, in its wisdom, decided to choose a Chinese contractor in order to take back PNG. So could the Treasurer confirm or deny if the Australians have therefore withdrawn the 100 million kina because they are not in the business of funding Chinese contractors? Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
Honourable Treasurer.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to thank the Honourable Governor for his questions. I would love to confirm or deny those queries, but unfortunately I'm not the Minister for Works and I don't have those details, especially for this particular first of 4 phases in our PNG Connects program. It totals 7.9 billion kina, Mr. Speaker, so I think I'll refer to my Minister for Works and try to shoot him a response as soon as I can. Thank you.
We have a point of order. Governor, what's your point of order?
We've been waiting for this road contract for almost 6 years now. And this shuffling between ministers is not good. Could you refer to the Minister for Works to respond? Thank you.
Honourable Minister of Works, resume your seat first. I'll make a ruling and then you can make a statement. In response to the point of order, the Chair will ask the Minister for Works to give a response to the question raised by the Governor. Minister for Works.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the good question raised by Maprik, member for Maprik, and also supported by Governor for Sepik. Pasam Maprik Road, as the contractor has been awarded a contract. The contractor named China Sanyang was awarded the contract, and he's actually mobilization, under mobilization. So every mobilized law, starting this road, law Pasam Golo Maprik. Time warrant time come in, we will pay some mobilization funds, and he will start that soon. Chinese, he kissing this contract, so TSSP, also you talk please, and Mr. Long Plat time, so we play Connect PNG, kissing come back and handle Connect PNG, so that people are like speeding this road because we want play economic road. Economic road, so we play awarding contract finish, now we play wait law fund him na contract by start, but we start mobilize now. So law road mobilization law Maprik Pasam Golong Maprik. Also me this is time to law road law Pasam Golong Angoram too law all members law Sepik all greater Sepik and also people law the 2 provinces na law Papua New Guinea too also road law Pasam Golong Angoram too me stop now law NPC anytime law this week all NPC but deliberate now by giving approval. So by come long, NEC long, award him contract. Road lo pasam golong maprik. Also mixes pla time too lo talk thank you long this pla government too lo maraberoso government. Lo start him road lo efil lo work maintenance now start go down lo waterfront. Lo Pagui. For the first time some lo road go down long Rombi station. 2 weeks ago all people lo have only look him for the first time PNV come up lo Rombi station. So this government is responsible government and also is fair. So some la route lo have hemi start work lo attend to. Also lo maprik golo warasikau hemi start lo evaluation stage. Cross to time all evaluation e finish pasari golo NTC. But lo road lo warasikau golo lumi. One time maprik pasam na maprik. One time road lo vanemu golo Green River. Hemi start na lo NTC. So all the road hemi start osem. Lo coastal roads start long butung kamogota lo Wibek. All ADB working design work na start. One time two pla all big pla wharfs. One time wharf, one time Wibek wharf. So time only designing na go lo design finish from lo tender na. By 2026 by me play awarding for contractors. Lo start in this road lo butung 4 lane kam lo vanemu na 2 lane kam lo Wibek. So ADP focus lo display. Lo last weekend me go down lo Wibek, me to go down go lo Highway Bridge. Na go lo halfway na me come. Na also go long East Coast too. Na me look progress lo work me walk lo have all contractors working. So me pla he work lo haten long all this pla. So me like appeal na talking governor want all leaders lo speak. Want we speak also this government is responsible, he is fair. So we are working on those roads. All TSSP program we been kissing but maybe talk finish. Also me play Connect PNG. Yet it take over lo making this pla area. Thank you lo. Yeah, because people play kiss him, now also time we play about him contract go also Australian withdraw because only been stop 4 years so that now 4 years long and maybe long play time so we play yet kiss him long make him slow work area. That's why
We have a point of order. Deputy Opposition Leader.
Member for Maprik clearly asked the question about funding allocation. We haven't heard any numbers being promulgated from this Minister for Works. Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
Honourable Deputy Opposition Leader, I think the member for Maprik's question is to the Treasurer, and Treasurer has responded. The question, the answers now answered by the question that is answered now by the Works Minister is the point supplementary raised by the Governor for Sepik. So I think the Minister is responding to the question. So, Minister, I'll ask you to sum up your question, answers.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. I think the response member be 80 billion dollar. Pasam kalau Afrika reply response contract he given finish. First time I'm last starting to work, and then on upload supporting or supplementary governor asked him and me give him on upload stuff.